In this video, we are just going to discuss in detail about functions in Python. How you can define a function and how you can use those functions in your Python programming language. So basically, functions are useful for wrapping a block of code so that you can execute that particular block of code whenever you want in your program using a single line of function call. So first thing that we are going to see is the basic syntax for creating functions in Python, that is user defined functions in Python, how to define them, and further we will be discussing how they are helpful in our Python programming language. So the syntax goes like def keyword. This is the keyword. So this def keyword is useful for defining a function. And following the def keyword, you can give the user defined function name. So this function name can be anything. Just I have given here as user underscore function underscore name, and it can be even SM Training Academy. So this is a completely user defined name. And following that, we'll be having this parenthesis, and following that we'll be having a colon. And here also the indentation is a very crucial thing, as we saw in for loop, if block. Here also, whatever the block of code that you want to include inside this function, you just want to provide those coding lines with a proper indentation, with a uniform proper indentation. So this is the syntax of function. Inside this, we will be writing the coding lines. So just remember, this is the syntax of function. So I am just going to define a function, and inside this parenthesis, you can also pass arguments to the function, and also you can return some value from this particular function, and those stuffs we will be seeing in a separate next videos. For now, we are just going to understand how you can define a basic function and how you can use them in your Python programming language. Here I am just going to name this function as print end, and inside this print end I am just going to print something like end of program and bye bye. So here I am giving \n to enter into the new line. Here also I am giving \n. So for instance, as I said, functions are useful for wrapping a block of code so that you can use that particular block of code whenever you want that block to be executed using a function call in your Python program. So to see the justification of that particular definition, I am just going to develop a particular program. I am just defining this function, I am just executing this definition, shift enter. Now the print end function has been defined, and you can call this particular function for executing these two lines in your program. So let's say I just want to print these two lines whenever I want to end a particular program. So here let's say I'm just printing hello, good morning, and after that if I want to end the program here, I just want to print these two lines. When I try to execute this, you can see I don't want this \n because it is entering into the new line, it is throwing an error. I'm just deleting this. Now you can see this was printed like hello, good morning, and with the end of the function it is printed end of the program and bye bye. And further, if I want to add a few lines to the same program, hello, good afternoon, and again I just want to print these two lines. Let's say I want, or I'm having this particular requirement. So when I try to execute this, You can see the output is hello, good morning, end of program, bye bye. Hello, good afternoon, end of program, bye bye. Again, I just want to say hello, good evening, and again I'm just going to print these two lines. Now the output is like it has added hello, good evening, end of program, bye bye. So here in this particular program, you can see I'm repeatedly adding these two lines: end of program, bye bye, end of program, bye bye, end of program, bye bye. So instead of repeating these particular lines, what I can do is I can just call this particular function which I have defined before. So I can just write like, or I can call this function with the same name and parenthesis instead of these two lines. Again, wherever I have printed these two lines, I can just call this particular function, and now when I execute this program, you can see the same output. So now we have optimized the code with the function print end, which prints end of program bye bye after each good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So this is how functions are useful for wrapping a block of code so that you can use those block of code repeatedly in your program with a single line of function call. So this is how you can define and use a simple function in your Python programming language, and there are various things that you can perform using function. That is, you can return some value from this function, and also you can pass some arguments to that function for processing a data inside that function. So those things we will be seeing in the next videos. I hope you learned how you can define a simple function in this particular video. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.